Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily change your shipping address after you placed an order on Shein. So let's head over to our account and let's go to the processing order. And from here, you can see the edit address option. And from here, you can see that you can only change the state, province, city, municipality, barangay, the zip code, and the main address. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily change your shipping address after you have already placed an order on Shein. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!